Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Mr. and Mrs Pai. Today I am very excited to unbox this product, which was a dream, which we were thinking to purchase this product from a long time, and we could succeed in buying it in now. So let me check the package and let me show you what is there inside the package. Good amount of safe packaging. So it's time to reveal the product. Product is in front of you. It is the DJI Mini 4 Pro version. There are various versions of DJI Mini 4. So you may find, like example, if I like 5 variants are there, if I'm not wrong, most probably. First one is the DJI Mini 4 Pro with RC-N2 remote, and that is standalone piece where you will get only the drone plus RC-N2 and one single battery. Then next is the standalone model with RC2 remote, which has the screen as well, the similar remote what you can see here in the product, this one. And the third one is RC2 Fly More combo, which is with RC2 remote, and you will get additional 2 batteries with the normal batteries, which is 34 minutes of time frame. Each battery will give you 34 minutes flight time. Then there is Fly More combo with RC-N2 remote, normal battery, and this is the topmost model, which is RC2 Fly More plus combo kit, which has 3 batteries which are intelligent plus batteries, which will give you 45 minutes of flight time in each battery. Okay, so this is the packaging, retail packaging of Mini 4 Pro. Here we can see the drone picture, open the drone picture, which is in open state, and on this side we can see the drone itself in a folded condition, folded manner. This is the Mini versions, latest Mini series which is released recently, and this is the RC2 remote control. Come, let's unbox the DJI Mini 4 Pro and see what all contents are available in the package. First, we'll ensure, when you purchase, ensure that it is sealed pack and you have the seal on the top, seal is intact, and also the packaging is not disturbed or hampered from to ensure that it's a new box piece, and from the factory it has come out from the DJI manufacturing factory. Okay, let's unbox it. There's a packaging cover over here, so we'll remove that first. So let me mark a cut. So it has got the cut. Now I can remove it. So the feeling is awesome when we own a new equipment or anything like that, like camera or drones, or the feeling would be awesome to unbox it. And this was one of our dream, to buy a drone from long time, so which we have fulfilled right now. Yeah, so I have removed the outer cover. So there's a seal here, we can see that the seal is intact and it is not disturbed. So I'll remove the seal now. Okay, so now I have broken the seal. I'll stick it on this one itself. Okay, I'll keep it here. So let me remove this from the frame. Yeah, so it's time to reveal. So this comes with a bag. It's a nice bag, and you have the Fly app scanning part here. Fly app scanning part here. Pause कर लो है. So there's a bag inside. This comes with a bag. Combo kit comes with bag. So let's take the bag outside. So let us take out the drone. Drone is inside the bag. So as you can see, this is the bag and the carton is empty now. So this is the drone is present. Drone and everything is present in this bag. So let us open the bag. It's a nice bag, nice looking bag. So it looks nice. So here we go. You're able to see the products inside. See, there's a tag here for accessories inside. So it marks accessories is inside. So let us take out the things which is there inside. So this is the RC2 remote which comes with the antenna. So this is in a sealed condition. See here. Ensure that everything is in a sealed pack. So see here, this is sealed. This has a sealant here. So once you remove the sealant, it cannot be resealed. Okay. So I'll keep it here. Apart from that, you have the charging hub with the batteries, 2 additional batteries. One battery is already inserted into the drone. So, and the main unit, which is the drone. Here we go. This is the main unit, drone itself, Mini 4 Pro. This comes with a propeller protector, and this is also in a sealed condition. See, you're able to see that it's in sealed condition. So ensure that it is sealed. Okay, seal is not removed. Okay, so after this, we have few more accessories into the box. So if we go here in this compartment, we have accessories like the card, this extra propellers. There are 1, 2, 3, 6 extra propellers available along with this. Okay, and this is the manual. Then there is a type C to USB-A cable, type C to type C cable. Then this is the screwdriver to unscrew your propellers. Okay, apart from that, nothing else is there in the compartment. This is silicone gel. Yeah, that's all is there in this compartment now. That's all we get as part of the combo kit. There's a compartment in the back side. Nothing is there in the compartment. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel for future videos. We'll be bringing exciting contents related to travel, food and vlogs, and also motor riding shorts. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.